Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover that model questions chapter wise of class 10th topic coordinate geometry. Third question, one more questions. So here third question guys. For what values of k will k plus 9, 2k minus 1, 2k plus 7 are the consecutive terms of an AP? Okay, let's start. So take down the given three terms. T1, that is first term equal to k plus 9, second term is 2k minus 1, third term is 2k plus 7. We need to find the value of k guys. And given that three terms are consecutive terms, okay, one after the other. So how can we find common difference if the terms are given consecutive? So we need to find the common difference for all the terms, okay. So d equal to t2 minus t1, t3 minus t2 is equal to t3 minus t2. So three terms are there. So we need to find common difference for all the terms. Okay. So simplify. So substitute the values and simplify case. We get k minus 8 equal to 7 minus 1 in this. So k minus 8 is equal to 6. Sending 8 to minus 8 to RJ, it becomes plus 8. It becomes 14 guys. K equal to 14. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.